Hello, I'm Vivek Jambal, Lexis and Company team member, and my today's topic is how you can hire a good lawyer. So, in India, the lawyer's talent or the legal talent is not limited. It's more than 1.3 million lawyers in India. As per the Right to Information response by BCI, to Delhi-based advocate Kush Kalra with an average annual growth rate between 2007 and 2011 of around 4%. So it means the legal talent is very much in India, and there is no shortage of advocates, or we can say lawyers or legal advisors in India. So who is an advocate? Let us first discuss this. An advocate is a person in the field of law who fights on the behalf of using ethical, reasonable, and cost-effective means. He is a person learned in law and have a license to practice law. In India, the term lawyer is often used in place of advocate, but the official term advocate, as prescribed under Section 2, Clause 1A of Advocate Act 1961. So now let's discuss what are the types of advocates. Section 16 of the Advocate Act 1961 states that there shall be two classes of advocates, that is, senior advocates and other advocates. If the Supreme Court or a High Court wants to designate a lawyer as a senior advocate because of the opinion that by the virtue of his ability he deserves such distinction, that they can do so with his consent. The Advocates Act 1961 has a provision of our two classes of advocates, that is, senior advocates and other advocates. However, the Supreme Court in this exercise of rule-making power made a provision for the third class of advocate, that is, advocate on record. So let's discuss who are senior advocates. A Supreme Court or a High Court can designate any advocate as a senior advocate with his/her consent. So, who are advocates on record? These advocates can file any case or document in the Supreme Court of India. They are also entitled to fine an appearance or an act of the party before the Supreme Court of India. No High Court in India have similar provision. So how to hire a good lawyer? The main question is. So first question yourself that do you really need a lawyer? If you feel that you need a lawyer, then go with these points. First, interpret your problem carefully before thinking of hiring a lawyer. Second, ask yourself and people around you that it is possible and reasonable to solve the problem on your own. Third, determine how important the situation is. If you are charged with a crime, or if you are in a legal suit as a defendant, there is an immediate need to contact an advocate. Even in cases where your right is infringed and you are injured, you should seek a lawyer advice or an advocate advice ASAP or as soon as possible, as delaying may jeopardize your right to seek relief in the court of law. So what are the qualities you should look in your potential advocate? First is comfort. Obviously, we need comfort so that we can tell him the problems. Second is record. Check his record, that what are the cases he have fought before, or what type of cases, criminal cases, civil cases. So these are the cases. So if you are if suppose you are charged for a crime, then you cannot hire a corporate lawyer. You need a lawyer who had fought criminal cases. So check the record. Third is experience. Obviously, a more experienced lawyer will have more knowledge of that field. So experience, check the experience. Fourth is understanding. If there is understanding, creates mutual understanding, that is belief only. It means comfort. Ability to communicate. Is the lawyer ability to communicate with you? Do you feel comfort that he can manage your case? Then availability. Is he available on your case that he had not taken the case on that date of other person. Is he available? Then rapport. Rapport is your advocate should be person with whom you can get along with. It means good relation. In good relationship ensures a better relationship and more positive results in future. A reasonable and clear fee structure. The fee structure of the lawyer should be clear. Fees of advocates fluctuate according to location, size, and prestige of the advocate of his or her firm as well as advocate's experience. A good advocate is clear, honest, and reasonable with his her fee structure. So you should look for a person who charges you a price worth the case. So there can I want to tell you some questions to ask your potential advocate. First is how long have you been practicing law? Second question you can ask is what type of cases do you generally handle? Third question is who are your regular clients? Then fourth question will how many cases to mine you have represented. It means if you are a criminal, if your case is criminal, that how many cases you have fought for criminal matters. Then what are special training or knowledge other than your law school degree you possesses that might help in my case. Then another question is what is your fees and cost and what is the billing procedure and who will handle my case. Then are there any other means to solve my legal issues? If he tells you that is there there is another means that you can, then you can go with that. Then what are the probable outcomes of my case? Then is will I win or will I lost or will I lose, something like that. And then another question is how long will the case take? A lawyer have an idea that how long will the case gonna run in the court, so you can take a idea of the from the advocate. Another question you can ask is how will we communicate with each other. Then another question is how what is my role in the preparation of my case. So these are some cases you can these are some questions you can ask to your potential lawyer. Hope you get benefit from my video. Thank you.